Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 7.4 on AlmaLinux 9 server. This is my operating system AlmaLinux 9. This is server IP address. I am checking server version and IP address using cat etc red hat release IP space R. This is my IP address and Alma release 9.6 should be your server upgrade using DNF upgrade command. My server upgrade done. Now install Zabbix RPM package using this official repo 7.2 successfully added, done. Now DNF clean all and then switch to PHP version 8.0. Press Y for accept this. Okay, done. Now install this script using Nginx web server. I am using Nginx Zabbix web conf. Press Y. Installation done. Step 2, install database server using this command. Database installation done. Now start database service. Now enable database service. Check this status, working fine. Now going to MySQL terminal for reset MySQL root password and create database user password for your Zabbix flash privilege, and then create this. You can replace your Zabbix password from here. Import default database. Sometime this location not found, so I can check the script is working fine. Okay, then type Zabbix user password. This is for import Zabbix default database. It will take up to 5 minutes at least for import database. Default database imported, done. Now again login MySQL terminal for settings. For setting disable log trash, this is global settings. Okay, done. Now going to step 5, add database name, username and password into server conf file. Copy this text, scroll down and comment this default db name, db user, and then paste my created db name, db user and db password. Then save and exit. Next step, Nginx web server. Remove this comment and going to using IP address or use domain name, and the port should be 8080. This is web default port, and restart all services using this command and enable these services using this command. Next step step 8, firewall settings. Firewall, this is very important part for Red Hat kernel. Start this service and then run this command. This is 80 for TCP web port, this is 443 for HTTPS, and this is data send and receive for Zabbix. And the next step, ACLinux. Should be ACLinux is visible from your server. Scroll down and then ACLinux disabled, then save and exit, and should be your server reboot, otherwise ACLinux policy not working. Now start this VM. Now access server IP address and complete web installation process using this IP address. Welcome to Zabbix 7.4. Click next step. All status is green and OK. PHP version 8.0. Click next step. Database name is username already created, and the password, this is for user password. Server name, you can input any name. Next step, congratulations, etc web Zabbix created successfully, installation done. After successfully done web installation, then login to dashboard. Default login, username must be admin, capital A, and password is Zabbix. Yes, this is for input domain name. Okay, Zabbix service is running 7.2. All is status working fine. You can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel for how to add Windows host, Linux host, how to configure alert, media type, Gmail alert or action trigger, and many more video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.